An overview of the graphing calculator. To begin with, you clear your calculator, second plus 712. This is helpful when you start and also if you find yourself in a loop, such as if you've done an application and haven't closed it. So when in doubt, just clear. We've been using the y equal key a lot. We use it to graph. We type in the equation and then we can look at the table, the graph, we can trace. We also use it to factor a number. Take the number, divide it by x, and then in y2, type in x plus y1. And look at the table, and it'll give you the factors, the two numbers that multiply to the number, and it'll also tell you what they add to, so to help in factoring. We also use the y equal key to find the simplified square root. Take the number, divide it by x squared, and then look at the table. Look for the smallest whole number, and you'll be able to then see the simplified square root. We also used it for cube roots, the same type of method. You just take the number, divide it by x cubed, go to the table, look for the smallest whole number, and there you'll find the simplified cube root. We've also used the math key. Math number 4 will give you a cube root key, so you can take the cube root of a number. And also, if you hit math num, there's the absolute value key. We used applications. In the Poly Simultaneous 2 program, you can find the Poly Root Finder or use the Simultaneous Equation Solver. We also use an inequality application. And just remember when you're using the inequality application that in order for the keys to work, you need to hit the alpha key first. We also use the calculator for statistics. When we have two lists, we will be calculating either a line of best fit or a curve of best fit. We also used the statistics key when we had one list, one data set. We run a one-bar stats, and in that we can find then the mean and the standard deviation of the data. If we need to evaluate an expression, we can use the store key. Just hit what you want to replace the variable, in this case x, so I type 2/3 store x, and then I type the expression in, and it substituted the value for me.